Your barber is ruining your hair, and I can prove it in the next 30 seconds. Look at these two photos. Same guy, but one looks like a Pinterest model, and the other looks like someone who just woke up. What's the difference? Layering. And here's the crazy part. 99% of barbers have no idea how to layer hair properly. That's why your hair never looks like those photos you show them. It's not your fault. It's not even really their fault. They just don't know. See, without proper layering, your hair has zero direction, zero movement. It just falls straight down, like a curtain. But with layering, your hair flows backward, shapes your face, and literally transforms your entire look. So today, I'm breaking down the exact 3-step process to get that perfect layered cut every single time, even if your barber has never done it before. Let's go. Step 1. Survive the awkward phase. Alright, real talk. If you want long, amazing hair, you need to grow it out for 3 months, minimum. And I'm not gonna sugarcoat this. Those 3 months are gonna suck. No cutting, no trimming, no just clean up the sides real quick. Nothing. Your hair is gonna stick out in weird directions. It'll cover your forehead one day, then puff up like a mushroom the next. You'll wake up looking like you got electrocuted. Sleeping will be uncomfortable because your hair keeps falling on your face. Honestly, you're gonna feel like a caveman waiting for evolution to kick in. But here's the thing. Every single guy with incredible long hair went through this exact phase. There's no cheat code, no shortcut. You just gotta push through. And while you're in this awkward phase, you need to start taking care of your hair properly. I'm talking shampoo, conditioner, oiling, brushing, because if you skip this, your hair is going to look damaged and frizzy when it finally grows out. I've got a full video on long hair care in the description if you need help with that. Step 2. Find the right barber or train yours. Growing your hair? Easy. Finding a barber who won't butcher it, that's the real challenge. Here's the harsh truth. Most local barbers only know one thing: fades. Short on the sides, little length on top. But long hair needs layers. It needs movement. It needs shape. And most barbers have zero clue how to do that. So here are the barbers you need to avoid. Barbers who only do fades. Barbers who rush through your haircut. Barbers who don't understand long hair structure. You need someone who actually knows how to use scissors properly, not just clippers. Someone who understands texture, layers, and how to shape hair to match your face. But finding that person? Nearly impossible, especially if this is your first time growing your hair out. So you've got 2 options. Option 1, go to a professional salon. Yeah, it's expensive, but stylists actually know how to cut layers properly. If you can afford it, this is the easiest route. Option 2, train your regular barber. If you don't want to drop salon money, you need to guide your barber step by step. Tell them exactly what to do, where to cut, and how much length to keep. And don't worry, I'm about to give you the exact script to use. Step 3, the barber training script. Here's exactly what you need to tell your barber to get that perfect layered cut. First, can you section my hair into 4 parts? Top, left side, right side, and back? Every professional barber does this before cutting layers. If your barber looks confused, that's a red flag. Second, keep my top hair slightly shorter than the sides. This is key for flow. Tell them, I want the front long enough to reach the tip of my nose, and keep the sides longer than the top so they frame my face naturally. This creates movement and avoids that weird triangle shape where your hair just expands outward. Third, can you add texture to the back with scissors or a razor? Texturing is everything. It adds movement and creates those natural curves that make long hair look incredible. Without it, your hair looks flat and lifeless. Just say, please add light texture at the back so it flows naturally. That's it. This is literally how barbers create those K-pop style layered cuts and that flowy, textured look everyone's obsessed with. And if you need proof this actually works, these are my hairs. Perfectly layered, perfectly textured. I follow my own advice. So if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I know you can reach the best version of yourself. Let's make it happen.